And here we have our first victim of the convention. At the poor little birdie. Oh, the badger. Well, at least the badger has a meal for tonight, right? You say hi to everybody at home. He makes such cute BadgerCon noises. BadgerCon. But I don't get it though. I mean, you're not being decent right now, Badger. Why are you naked? Come on. This is this is the perfect response. What's this? Oh, you got a pug. Don't eat the pug. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. Well, everything is terrible.com. But it's cute. See, that's what happens when you eat things too fast. Whoop. Oh, damn. You processed that real quick. That. Oh my. We got the Cookie Monster.
I'll talk to you about it later.
Going down?
It's gonna turn you into a hairball. Beware. Badger, this way. Elevator's waiting for you.